learn how to play Falling Down by Toby Fox. And it's just simple. Play F sharp and then C flat. You get the rhythm now? And for the left hand, it's just so it's just G, G sharp, and B, G sharp, B, G sharp, B. So it's like that. Okay, that's the left hand. Continue for the left hand because that was not it. The right hand was not complete, so it's like this. Again. I said F, C last time, repeatedly, then the next A, B, C sharp. By the way, what I said C and F, I meant C sharp and F sharp. So like this, it's on the black keys. As you can see over here, and then the C sharp over here. So if you have common sense, you can see which one is the C sharp and the F sharp. C sharp is right there. F sharp is over there. C sharp is over here. So 3, 2, 1, and and the ending is just like this. Wait, let me play it again. That's the end. The sharp, D, E, F sharp, E, B, C sharp. So, not all together, but not left hand. Okay, so I'm just going to edit this and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so edit this in CapCut and I'll make another one. The sound of the left hand and the vision or sight of right hand and sound of right hand as well. So I'll edit this and see the reaction. Bye.